So, right now we have the Swiss Airbus A350. It is currently turning around to land in Boston, in the United States. This is its first long-haul flight, if you don't know. Right now, it is turning towards the airfield following another two JetBlue aircraft. It's passed over Staunton. Then it's gonna follow those JetBlue A320s, A321s, whatever you want, over Milton, past the city and into the airfield. So, there it is. It's just on final approach right now. Those two other JetBlue planes, if you want to have a look at them. This one's come from San Fran. And this one has come from Oranjestad. It's kind of like a Dutch name, I believe. That's got to be like, as I thought, Aruba. That's why I thought the name sounded familiar. So, yeah. I literally have like... What am I even saying? Like, I don't know what's going on. The first JetBlue plane has landed. And the second JetBlue plane has landed. And there you go. The plane has officially landed at Boston, despite the tracker getting the altitude incorrect. Welcome to Boston, Swiss Airlines.